The kernel is the heart of the operating system. It acts as a bridge between the hardware and the software, managing resources like CPU, memory, and devices. Without the kernel, your applications wouldn't know how to interact with the hardware. Think of it as the core engine of a car. It powers everything under the hood. Look at this diagram. At the foundation of the system is the hardware. This includes components like the CPU, memory, hard drive, and any other peripheral devices like keyboard, mouse, printers. The kernel is the core of the operating system. It is a program that acts as an intermediary between the hardware and the software running on the computer. The kernel is always running in the background, managing resources, handling system calls, and ensuring communication between hardware and software. For example, when you issue a command, the kernel translates it into instructions the hardware understands. The shell is the interface between the user and the kernel. It can be a graphical user interface like what we see in Windows or desktop environments in Linux, for example GNOME, KDE, or a command line interface like the terminal in Linux. In Linux, if you're working in a terminal, you're interacting with shells like bash, zsh, or csh. The shell forwards user commands to the kernel for execution. On top of the shell, you have user applications such as web browsers, email clients, calculators, office software, or Linux-specific tools like SendMail or Vim. These applications rely on the shell and kernel to communicate with the hardware. Finally, at the top, you have the users, like yourself, who interact with the system through applications or directly via the shell. So this is what the kernel is, and we really need a kernel in any operating system to talk to our hardware. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more DevOps tutorials and tech explanations. See you next time.